Influencer marketing is all about employing thought leaders, also known as social media influencers, to communicate your brand's message across to their audience. These thought leaders are essentially experts and content creators who create content on multiple social media platforms where their community of fans, followers, or people interested in those topics consumes them. So when you run an influencer marketing campaign, these influencers integrate your brand's message into their content so that their audience is also aware of it. The first step to setting up your influencer marketing campaign is to set your campaign objectives. Brands run these campaigns for multiple goals. It could be to create awareness around a product or a service that they might have. It could be to generate sales or branded content. It could be to create a hype around a new upcoming event. It could be also to create their own social media communities. It could also be for creating credibility and trust for the brand. Based on what you want the campaign to achieve, we can then figure out the next steps of the campaign, such as which social media platform would be suitable, which influencers to work with, and what should be the messaging of the campaign. Being one of the oldest social media platforms out there, not only is it so popular that 90 to 95% of all internet users consume some kind of content on YouTube, it has also become world's second largest search engine. People use it not only to consume entertainment content, but to watch product reviews, to make buying decisions, to learn new skills, to gather information about a topic, or just to watch news. Long-form content gives the influencers ample space to come up with a well-rounded message that they want to communicate to their audience. The ample amount of time gives them a chance to showcase your product, how it works, how to best use it, and such details. Product review videos are best for driving sales, as the viewer already has some buying intent. The shelf life of your content is also very long, as the YouTube recommendation algorithm keeps it discoverable and relevant. It is also very easy to reach specific niches and a very targeted audience, because all kinds of demographics consume some kind of content on YouTube. With over 1 billion monthly active users, there is no denying that Instagram is a great way to reach your audience. Not only does the content on Instagram looks good, but it also can be consumed quickly. Instagram stories and Instagram live videos is a great way to reach the audience that does not have the time to consume long-form content. Some advantages of running your influencer campaign on Instagram include shorter and easily consumable content. It is great for generating large amount of aesthetic content. Swipe ups and click to buy features are a great way to lead the audience to the brand and the product pages. Instagram also has some drawbacks. The engagement is very low as compared to YouTube or TikTok. The shelf life of the content is very short. Demographics are primarily millennials from 1 to 2 tier cities.